Hello and welcome to our magical garden. June is an exciting month in our garden as it marks the return of our fairies. So join me as I bring our fairy garden back to life. So there's plenty of work to do before the fairies return to our garden. The paths have become overgrown and the railroad tracks also need clearing. The garden parterre has become overgrown. We'll need to plant fresh flowers to attract the fairies back. And so that the fairies feel safe, we also need to reinstall their walled garden and re-establish this new fairy garden area with these fairy garden log houses. And so, with the walled garden rebuilt, flowers planted and the paths cleared, we wait for the fairies to return. And then one day, the fairies returned. And they seem to have really settled into the new log house walled garden. Flowers have been planted in the parterre. And the fairies seem to be really happy in the sunshine. They've settled into the big fairy house. And now they wait for the train to come by. While they enjoy a nice sunny afternoon. So if you've enjoyed this video, why not subscribe for more content just like it? Thanks for watching. Bye.